Hi guys, my name is Moonflow and today I'll be doing a tutorial on horizontal figure eights. Starting with anti-clockwise, on the right hand, you take your hand and place it in between the 2 points with your thumb running down the back of the seam. This edge leading over the top. You circulate your wrist back to the start. Again, over the top, in a circular motion, back to the start. Adding fluidity to that movement, start from here, over, keep it going, one, just like that. On the left hand side, come from underneath, with your pointer finger running along the back of the seam. Again, come from the outside, circulate back to the start. Starting from here, comes over, circulate your wrist back to the start. Again, over, rotate back to the start. All together, one, just like so. Clockwise on the left hand, again in between the 2 points, over top, with your thumb running down the back of the seam. Starts from here, comes over the top, and you want to rotate your wrist in a circular motion back to the start. Again, comes over, circular motion back to the start. All together now. Keep it going. One. Just like that. On the right hand side, remember that pointer finger. Comes over the top. Rotate back to the start. Over the top, rotate back to the start. All together. It's important to remember that the thumb or the pointer finger run down the back of these seams, as it helps to open up that leading edge, flattening it off just a little bit to help it get up and over your elbow. Another good thing to remember with this one is just a little bit of an up and down motion can help have the Flowstar float just a little bit, allowing it to come over your arm as you drop your elbow on that upward swing. Just like that. Float just down a little bit. The same with the out one coming in, just a little bit of an up and down motion with your hand. I'll just do a little demonstration from behind. On the right hand, remember that thumb comes from here. On the left hand side, just remember that pointer finger. The other direction, left hand over top, remember that thumb. And the right hand side, again remember that pointer finger. Thanks for watching today guys. This has been a tutorial on horizontal figure eights. If you found this helpful, then please hit that like and subscribe button for more tutorials in the future.